it's Fabiana. I am very excited to be here today with Ryan Serhant. So, what are we doing today?
So I wanted to show you an apartment unlike anything you've ever seen before.
Okay.
And in part because you spend all this time walking up and down the streets of Manhattan, kind of any city really. You're looking at these buildings. Wow, I wonder who lives in there. I wonder what's up there. And a lot of times it can be really surprising what's on the other side.
No words for this.
So now we are out facing over 14th Street. So where you and I first met, right on the street.
Right.
So there's a couple fun things about this apartment, right, that are basically just in this room itself. One, you have this really big fish tank,
Right.
which also serves as a barrier, and I'll explain that later. So the TV is hidden behind this wall.
That is so cool.
So this is either a coffee table,
Okay.
right, sit here, maybe eat some food here, hang out, or pull this little lever, and this moves up to become a desk.
Wow.
So now, you're on the computer. And then there's one other thing I want to show you. You need to stay right where you are.
Okay.
You might want to stand up.
Oh.
Maybe take a step back and
Anticipation.
just beware of the lasers.
This is like worse than a surprise party. I don't know what to expect. What is happening? No way is this wall moving right now.
What do you think?
I'm speechless.
Cool?
That is so incredible.
It's not your average apartment now, is it?
No. This is like nothing I could have imagined. I'm like, what is happening? What is happening to the wall?
So this is what I meant by the barrier. Lift it up like this, and it gets to go away completely. That's a little shelf.
And there's a
That's
couch.
away. Boom. Leather couch.
Oh my
Hang out.
gosh.
Come and check out the interior. It's pretty wild.
This is a crazy bathroom.
So you get the exposed break, everything, it feels just like the bedroom. And then if you look at the floor, those are actual pennies. So you had breakfast and you're like, you know what?
Oh
You know what would be
no.
cool? It's just like playing a little Billy Joel or something.
Get out.
Underneath here is a rollout piano.
No way.
And you can sit here and say, I want a bagel and my cereal, and then you can just kind of sit
Play some
down.
tunes.
Every day buyers come to us and say, I want a 2-bedroom, I want a 3-bedroom, and I want something special. If I'm gonna be in Manhattan, I wanna have something unique and special. And hello, like this is the most unique and special apartment I've ever seen. It has bedrooms and bathrooms and a beautiful kitchen and outdoor space, just like a lot of other apartments. But the design and the functionality of the space is so unique that it makes it an extra special investment.
Where would you like to see us tour next? Let us know in the comments.